Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video, Morning with Pam. As always, I'm back again. For today's video, I have a very simple recipe. This is a fresh fermented soyabean, tomatoes, garlic, onion, and if you have green chili, if you prefer green chili, you can use that, but I like to add king chili, sun-dried king chili, okay? And I have some bunch of corianders. So with that being said, let's start preparing. I'm going to fry this. So today's recipe is fermented soyabean and tomato fry. That's it. Okay, so all the ingredients are ready. Let's start frying. Guys, today's recipe is done. Look at this, it's so colorful, so yum. Oh, my whole room is smelling fermented soybean. So it's a bit strong for those who don't eat, but for us it smells heavenly. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Always eat, enjoy, and stay healthy. See you soon.